How you doing, guys? Welcome to Aruban Cravings cocktail sessions. All right, today we're gonna make you some mojito. Guys, are you ready for have some mojito? Yes. Okay. Mojito comes from Cuba. Okay, Havana, Cuba, and it's gonna start like this: fresh mint leaves, from the garden, 5 of them, like that. Then we're gonna go with some limes, some beautiful limes, just like that. And of course, we're gonna add some sugar. And from here, we're gonna put some rum in it. 2 ounces of rum, right there. And from there, we're gonna be mashing everything together, like this. Okay, so now we're mixing all the oils from the lime and everything coming out from the mint leaves. Now add some ice in it. Now we're gonna pour some lime soda on it. There you go, just like that. And now we're gonna stir. And there you go, guys.
Thank you.
Enjoy your mojito. All right, guys, thank you for watching us. I really hope you like this episode of the Aruba Cravings cocktail sessions. All right, how was the mojitos? You like the mojitos?
Delicious.
There you go. All right, ingredients are gonna be listed right somewhere over here. It's gonna be the ingredients right down there. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you really like the show, hit the subscribe button, please. It's very important for us. Next time in the cocktail sessions, we're gonna be making some Aruba Riba, very famous cocktail on the island and the entire Caribbean. Okay. Take care, guys. See you on the next episode of the Aruba Cravings cocktail sessions. Bye.